Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your man, Nabir, and today we're diving deep into a piece of Americana, a legend, a road trip for the ages. We're talking about Route 66, baby. The mother road stretching from Chicago to Santa Monica, California. So buckle up because we're about to hit the road, and trust me, you don't want to miss this ride. All right, let's get this show on the road. Buckle up because we're about to embark on a journey through time and space, tracing the legendary Route 66. Route 66. This ain't your average highway, it's a symbol of freedom, adventure, and the American dream. We're talking 2,448 miles of pure American history cutting through 8 states. From the heartland to the coast, it weaves a tapestry of stories and landscapes. Think Illinois, Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, and California, each state adding its own unique flavor to the journey. Rewind to 1926, the Roaring Twenties. America was booming, jazz was playing, and the country was on the move. That's when Route 66 was born. It was more than just a road, it was a lifeline for countless communities. It connected rural America to bustling cities, opening up the country and creating opportunities. Small towns flourished and the American landscape was forever changed. Imagine early travelers in their Model Ts, the wind in their hair, the smell of adventure in the air. They were pioneers of a new era, exploring uncharted territories. You can still feel that energy today, that spirit of adventure that clings to this road. Modern travelers retrace the steps of those early adventurers, seeking the same thrill and freedom. Along the way, you'll find quirky motels, classic diners, and neon signs that harken back to a bygone era. Each stop is a piece of living history. From the Grand Canyon to Cadillac Ranch and all the way to the Santa Monica Pier, Route 66 is a journey through the soul of America. So, whether you're a history buff, a road trip enthusiast, or just someone looking for a taste of Americana, Route 66 has something for everyone. It's more than a road, it's an experience. From sea to shining sea, Route 66 is a testament to the enduring spirit of adventure and the open road. Let's hit the road and make some memories. Now, let's talk about why Route 66 is so iconic. This legendary highway stretching from Chicago to Santa Monica has been the backdrop for countless adventures and stories. It's more than just a road. It's a symbol of the American spirit. It's the birthplace of the American road trip, the ultimate symbol of freedom and adventure. Imagine cruising down the open road, the wind in your hair, the horizon stretching out before you. Route 66 embodies the dream of exploration and the promise of new beginnings. Every epic road trip movie, every song about hitting the open road owes a debt to Route 66. From the rebellious spirit of Easy Rider to the empowering journey of Thelma and Louise, this highway has inspired generations of storytellers and dreamers. Remember the Dust Bowl, the 1930s, when families packed up and headed west, hoping for a better life. Route 66 was their lifeline, a beacon of hope in desperate times. It carried them away from the dust and despair towards the promise of California. Route 66 was their lifeline. It wasn't just a road, it was a pathway to survival, a route to a new beginning. The stories of those who traveled it are etched into the very fabric of American history. John Steinbeck wrote about it in The Grapes of Wrath. His words captured the struggles and hopes of those who journeyed along this iconic highway. The novel immortalized Route 66 as a symbol of resilience and determination. It's a testament to the human spirit, to our need to explore, to connect, to keep moving forward. Whether you're a history buff, a road trip enthusiast, or just someone looking for a slice of Americana, Route 66 has something for everyone. So, when you think about Route 66, think about the journeys, the adventures, the millions of stories woven into its asphalt. It's not just a road, it's a living, breathing piece of American history. Every mile tells a story, every stop is a chapter in the grand narrative of the American dream. So, pack your bags, hit the road, and become a part of the legend that is Route 66. Now, you can't talk about Route 66 without talking about the food. It's an essential part of the journey, a culinary adventure that mirrors the road's rich history and vibrant culture. Greasy spoons, classic diners, those roadside joints with neon signs buzzing. Each one tells a story, a tale of travelers who have come and gone, leaving behind memories etched in neon lights. This is where the real spirit of Route 66 comes alive. Juicy burgers, thick milkshakes, and fries that are crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. These aren't just meals, they're experiences. Each bite a taste of Americana. An apple pie that'll make your grandma jealous. Freshly baked with a flaky crust and a filling that's just the right mix of sweet and tart. It's the perfect end to a hearty meal. And let's not forget the atmosphere, the vintage booths, the checkered floors, the jukebox playing classic tunes. It's like stepping into a time capsule where the past and present blend seamlessly. The waitresses who call you hun with a smile that makes you feel right at home. They know the regulars by name and have stories to share, adding a personal touch to your dining experience. These diners are like stepping back in time, a nostalgic reminder of a simpler era. They stand as monuments to the golden age of road trips where the journey was just as important as the destination. A nostalgic reminder of a simpler era. The retro decor, the friendly faces, and the comforting food all come together to create an experience that's both timeless and unforgettable. So, next time you're craving a taste of the open road, remember that Route 66 is more than just a highway. It's a journey through time, a culinary adventure, and a slice of American history. Find yourself a classic Route 66 diner. Sit back, relax, and let the flavors and stories of the Mother Road take you on a trip down memory lane. Chapter 5. The Road That Refused to Die. Even though Route 66 was decommissioned as a US highway in 1985, it didn't fade away. People kept driving those old stretches, kept the diners and motels alive. The government recognized the historical significance, the cultural impact. That's why you'll still see those iconic signs, those brown squares with the historic Route 66 emblem. Sections of the original route have been preserved as national scenic byways. Route 66 is still out there, waiting to be discovered, to share its stories. Chapter 6, Quirky Stops and Roadside Wonders. Route 66 isn't just about the journey, it's about the stops along the way. Cadillac Ranch in Texas, the world's largest rocking chair in Missouri, the Blue Whale of Catoosa, Oklahoma. These roadside attractions are a reflection of the American spirit, the ingenuity, the humor. So, when you're cruising down Route 66, keep your eyes peeled for those roadside oddities. Chapter 7. Route 66, a global phenomenon. Route 66 is not just an American icon, it's a global phenomenon. People from all over the world dream of driving this road, experiencing a taste of that American freedom. European car clubs, Japanese tourists, all drawn to the allure of Route 66. It's a symbol of freedom, of adventure, of the open road calling your name. So the next time you're on Route 66 and see tourists, give them a nod, a wave, a smile. Hit the road, Jack. Route 66, a road, a legend, a journey through the heart of America. If you ever get the chance, rent a car, grab a map, and just drive. Soak up the history, the culture, the quirky roadside attractions, and hey, I want to hear from you. Have you ever driven Route 66? Drop your stories in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep those wheels turning.